In this video, we're making this delicious tuna potato curry, which is very easy to make and also very healthy. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, in a kadai or a flat pan, you're going to heat some oil and then add in the onion and the green chilies. Give them a mix and cover and cook on low flame till the onion is translucent. Then add in the tomato and mix that in. Then add in the turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt and mix them all in. Again, cover and cook this until the tomato has softened. Then add in the ginger garlic paste and mix and cook for a minute. Now mix in the chopped potato and then add some water, just enough to cover the potatoes, and then you're going to cover and cook this on low flame till the potatoes are cooked. This might take about 15 to 20 minutes. Just check with a spoon and make sure it is cooked. And then you're going to drain and add in the tuna. This is the tuna that I'm using. And then you're going to mix that in. And also mix in the garam masala. And again cover and cook this for 5 minutes or till the tuna is cooked. Finally, garnish this with coriander. And then you can serve this hot with some bread, roti or rice and enjoy. I'll see you soon with some new videos. Bye!